Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to duplicate a text file on the OneDrive portal via Office 365 using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365 as well as a text file we may have uploaded to the portal. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome. And just open up the web browser. Now let's go to office.com and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to applications, more applications. Now let's navigate to the OneDrive. Now once that is loaded, let's go to admin and then go to my files. Let us now click within the 2024 folder that was created in the previous tutorials. We should have hello.txt, the text file that was uploaded in the previous tutorial. So now let's click on the text file itself and then let's click on the three dots. And now let's click on copy to. This should open up another prompt on screen. Let's go back within my files. Let's now create a brand new folder and call this text file. Create. We are now within that folder. Now we can copy here. We should receive a message on screen that indicates the file, text file, or whatever the text file's name is, has been copied to the new folder called text file. Let's go back one, go to home, now go to my files, and there we have that text file folder on screen with hello.txt in that folder, duplicated within seconds. Click on the file itself and there we have it, hello world, where it all started. So let's now quit Google Chrome. And so that's about this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.